to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you can do more than just meat in the smoker. I'm going to show you how I do my cauliflower in the smoker. Really nice, simple and really tasty for any type of meal. Right, here I've got a little aluminium tray, a little foil tray, and I'm just going to line that with a little bit more foil. Now I've got a small cauliflower, and I've just cut those up into nice little florets, and I'm just going to put that straight in to that aluminium tray, just like that. Right, make sure you've got a little bit of space around everything. I'm going to give that a little bit of a drizzle with a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you like. Give that a little sprinkle of some salt, right, just like that. Right, all we have to do now, just encase all of that cauliflower up. Right, this is a very quick video, by the way, but I'll tell you what, this is a really good tasting side dish to have with any other smoked meat that you're doing. Alright, everyone's sort of tucked in bed. I'm moving this piece of pork over. I'm going to put the tray with the cauliflower in there. Right, I'm actually going to put that down towards the intake end, so it's going to be cooking pretty hot, but I'm going to be cooking it at around about 120-125 degrees Celsius. Right, that's my sort of go-to number for this particular cook today. Alright, so we're just going to close that off. Just double check all of our temperatures and check our fire, and all we have to do now is just basically leave that, and I'm going to cook that off for about an hour to an hour and a half. Right, I'm just going to have a look every now and then, and I'll take a little stick and little bamboo stick, and I'll probe it, and once the stick goes into the cauliflower quite nice and easily, we know the cauliflower is cooked. As I said, it takes you about an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes at 125 degrees Celsius. We can just take that off, put that somewhere to stay warm, and we can serve that up with the rest of our meal. How easy was that to do? I'll be soon to try and do this one at home if you've got a smoker. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. Please hit that like button, leave a comment. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media, and hit that notifications bell, all that jazz. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make other things than just meat on the smoker, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I will catch you next time. Bye.